Hi guys, can you hear me?
Hi, teacher. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, okay. Okay. So today we have a little different class. We'll discuss first about the final exam, no, the final workshop, the workshop. Okay. I prepare a material that I share with you during this weekend, but I will show today. And so we talk about that. Okay, the last activity. There are two more activities. The final exam, the final workshop in the reflection. Sorry, the yes, the reflection. That's a very easy activity, but you need to remember. And after that, we open the breakout rooms, and you move to breakout room, and if you have some question, you can call me there. Okay. So just remember today, not today, Monday is the last day to submit the video related to the step three. And okay, we are now to discuss about the last activity, okay? So to start the discussion, so give me a second. Okay, today I published this link. What is this link? The next week we will realize the final workshop. Okay, this workshop happened in 2 days. Huh? The Thursday, December 1st, and Friday, December 2nd. Okay. Uh, I created this spreadsheet to enable that you can select with date the group you want to present. The date and hour. Okay. To fill this form, please talk with the Brazilians and define a common date that is good for the both groups. Okay, it's really important because the activity happened online. We use the Zoom to do this activity. I, Cesar, Professor Brazil, um, Luis José, and Luis Yepes will connect in the Zoom to to realize this activity. It's the same for you, okay? And again, I need that you fill this form until I cannot remember the date that you send you, but I believe until Monday. Yes, Monday 11:50. Okay, and it's very important to put your group here. Okay, you see Friday you have only two positions, and Thursday is more easiest. Okay, you have a lot of time to fill. Okay, it's important. Don't delete your friends. Okay, if for example, oh, I want this one. No, you cannot delete. Okay, if you want, you can talk with the group, Team Macoeira, and if they agree, okay, you can move them to other position and you start settling. Okay, but again, it's very important to define which slot time you want until um, okay, until until next Sunday. Okay, until next Monday. Okay. Uh-huh. Is the first thing. Any question about it or not?
No questions.
Okay. Again, if you move your friends lots, talk with your friends, okay, guys? The second one is about the last activity, okay? Uh, here in the company, in the GitHub, we have the labels. And here you can see the step 4, the final presentation, and the reflection. The both activities is compulsory, okay? You need to do the 2 of them, okay? I have one case about, I don't know which group the girl is, that the school asked me to make separately because you need to back to your country. Your father receive something will happen in your country. You need to move to your country early. Okay, but again, you need to go. Okay, you have the information here. Okay, about the both activities. Reflection is very similar than the first one. The difference is the content. Okay, we have the link here. But I created a document that I will share with you on Monday. Okay, I will talk about this document today, but I will only share in the Slack on Monday. Okay, I'm waiting for the other professors to send some feedbacks or something like that to generate the fine question. Okay, but again, you have direction to the final workshop and directions to define reflection. Okay. Okay. What is the final shot? It's the time that you have to present the final work. Okay. The group demonstrates the skills and demonstrates that accomplish our requirements of the project. Okay. Just remember the requirements. Is the minimum requirements is defined in the last activity in the document that I share with you. I believe on Wednesday, or I cannot remember exactly the date. Okay. During this workshop, you have 20 minutes to present the project and demonstrate the skills, and the professors has 35 minutes to ask the students individually. Okay, it's not required that you have, for example, it's a big group, okay, 8, 9 people. It's not required, for example, the 9 guys talk during the presentation. Maybe 2 or 3 can talk, but it's very important that all of you is understand all parts of the project, because after the 20 minutes presentation, we have 35 minutes to ask the students. In other words, for example, I didn't present. Probably you asking to you about parts of the project. Okay. But again, the professor can ask any student, okay, not only the students that does not speak, does not present, but all the students, including the student that talk during the presentation. Okay. But okay, you have 20 minutes and 35 minutes to ask. Okay. If you didn't attend the workshop, receive 0 points in the grade, okay? And will be reprobation in the GSL classroom, okay? Remember to GSL to receive the budget, you need to participate all the phase, okay? It's a little different than the course and the GSL, okay, the global shadow. The cooperation, you need to participate all the phase. For example, if you didn't do, for example, the reflection, we prove in the GSL, we didn't receive the badge, but maybe you approve in the course. Okay, depend the grades. But if you miss the final workshop, you improve in both. But not improve in both. You receive 0 points in the workshop, in the cooperation, okay, the workshop, but you are out in the GSL. Okay. To participate in the workshop. Okay. Any question about this part here, guys? No? Okay.
No, teacher.
The participation of the workshop. You need to make a presentation using Extra like PowerPoint, slides to Canvas and others. Okay. We discuss the following problems. What is the problem? Until 3 minutes. Technical architectural solution until 8 minutes. How to configure the solution until 1 minute. And demo of system until 8 minutes. Remember, you have 20 minutes. Okay. I present the problem in 2 minutes. No problem. You can use 9 minutes to the demo. Okay. It's only a suggestion. It's clear. You cannot talk. My problem is blah, blah, blah. 1 minute. No, you need to explain more. You need to use the time to sell your project. Okay. The demo. You don't need to run the things in real time. Okay. You don't need to run during the presentation. You can create a video, okay? You record a video that you demonstrate your solution, okay? But this video cannot have audio, okay? You use the video to present your solution in the class. I don't know if it's clear. My suggestion is not to run the things in real time, okay? There are parts of the team here, there are parts of the team in Brazil, in Mexico, there are parts of the team in Brazil. There are a lot of things that cannot work, and you don't have the opportunity to show your project. Okay. My suggestion that you record. Okay. If you have 8 minutes, record 50 minutes. Okay. Because you can accelerate. Okay. Record your video, but don't explain the video. Just only record the video. Okay. And we use the class, in the class, during the workshop, during your talk, you explain, okay, you see here in the video, there are the situation, now you have the situation, you see the smartphone here, okay? Record a video. It's much better than you try to run in real time, make a demo presentation, a hot demo presentation, okay? I already talked about that. Okay, again, you don't need to talk during the presentation. I expect that, for example, one guy talk about it, at least one guy here, one guy here, one guy here, and another guy here. Okay, I don't want to. One guy presents all the same. Okay, but for example, you have 12. You don't need to, for example, 3 guys talk here to everybody talk. Okay, you can select, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 guys to present the project. Okay, and the others you answer the questions from the professors. So a day before the workshop, for example, if you present on Thursday, on Wednesday, if you present on Friday, on Thursday, you need to submit, you need to save in the GitHub project site the source code and the license, the problem and the motivation, you already did it, okay? The project motivation, how to compile the code, and you need to submit to store in the GitHub the presentation. And in the main page, in the review page, you put the link, okay? You need to submit it before the presentation, okay? And in this Slack, you send in the GCL BRMX the link of the GitHub site. I already have the link, okay? It's only to assure that I have the correct link, okay? A very important, after the cooperation ends, I need that you keep available the GitHub site for 30 days. After this time, you want to delete, you can delete. But during the next 30 days after the course ends, I need to be available. Okay. Okay. Any question? What you need to submit a day before the workshop? No.
What is the GPL license?
A GPL license, I show you. Okay, I will show one product line. Okay, this one. And this one that I showed. One that I don't have. This one, maybe. Yeah. Did you see here? You need to select, for example, you have your page. You need to select which license you want to share with the community your page. Okay? And you save this license here. Did you understand?
Okay.
I believe there are groups that already set it, okay? But if you didn't set it, just only you create this file, okay? For example, you want to be, for example, like my case, GPL3, okay? GPL3, you save, you can find these files here in the internet, save it here, and everything is okay. The workshop will happen online using the Zoom channel, okay? It's not necessary that I don't know if I have two classes, choose two Zoom links, okay? I select one, okay? You need to check this link before you connect because it's not necessary is this link the link that you use today, okay? Okay, you join, okay, like now, and we'll move to the breakout room. When you join in this day, when you join, you'll see that all the breakout rooms is open, okay? You join the main room and move to the breakout room, okay? And at least 50 minutes before the initiation of your session, okay? For example, if you are scheduled, for example, I don't know, 1 a.m. Oh my God, 1 p.m. No, it's not 1. It's 1. And here is PM too. No? Okay, for example, your session is 11 a.m. Okay, you need to join in your breakout room 10:45. Okay, why 10:45? You enter in the breakout room, open your presentation, check the audio, the things is working. Okay, because when will be 11 a.m. All the professors enter in the breakout room and you start the session. Okay? It's important to follow. Oh, I want to watch the presentation of my friend. Okay, you can join, enter in the breakout room. Okay? But keep quiet. Okay? It's the rubric that we use to evaluate. Okay? Definition of the product's 5 grades. You have 100 points here. Okay, guys? Oh, if I didn't answer any question because any professor asked me something, you receive 15 points, okay? If you didn't receive any questions, you receive 50 points. Any questions about this activity here, guys?
No, teacher.
Okay, I will share with you on Monday, okay? Another test is the final reflection. Okay, the final reflection is exactly like the icebreaker. Okay, you need to go to the Padlet and you record a short video. Okay, how do you think your cultural background impacts how you interact and negotiate with others? Has collaborating with international peers impacted your learning experience? After this experience, are there any changes in your worldview? Okay, the this activity, the final reflection, is like it's like a reflection scrum. Okay, you talk about the positive things, the bad things, you what you the expectation and what you happen. Okay, and again, you post a video between around 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's nice. Okay, you don't need to reply the videos of your friends, but it's a good idea. If you watch your friend and make comments, it's a nice thing to do. Okay, but it's not compulsory. Okay, you need to only to record the video. Again, this activity, if you I didn't want to do this activity, no problem. You finalize the course, but you didn't receive you didn't finalize the cooperation. Okay, it's two different things. Okay, any questions? No questions. So
No, teacher.
I revise the activities. Okay, I revise the activities. Okay, about the sorry, before I start to talk about it. Okay, about the corporation. Any questions? General questions? No. Okay. About the grades, the activities that you realize inside the course. Okay, I revise the activities now. Okay, it's a lot of activities. It's not a lot of activities, but it's a lot of students. Okay, and if you record a video, I watch the video. If you submit a file, I check out the files. Okay, I spend a big time to do it. Okay, my plan to finalize or today on Monday. On Monday, everything is done. Okay, some comments that what I already see. I identify. I I I don't believe it's a plagiar. Okay, I don't know what happened, but one group submit the documents of the other groups. The crazy thing is the group that submits the documents of the other groups don't change the name of the team. Okay, I will identify. Okay, I use the software to check plagiar. Okay, but when I saw, I say, oh, the guy don't change the names. It's exactly the same file. It's exactly the same file. It's not the files a copy. No, it's the same file. Okay. The group which has the real group that I identified the group and I saw, okay, the group that the name of the participants is correct, receive the point. The other group receives 0. Okay. It's not good. Okay, guys, it's really not good. We talk about the report. It's the second activity. Okay, maybe you did a mistake. I don't know. You have a lot of time to fix it. The system is open until last Friday, if I'm not wrong, or this Monday. Okay, but you didn't fix. Okay, so it's not good. Okay, to copy plagiaries, this type of thing. But I consider that it's a mistake. It's the same. There are one student that submits. I don't know why. Nothing. I asked it to submit. I cannot remember a video or a file. I don't remember. The student submit a PNG about. I don't know why. I don't know what. Okay, maybe it's another course. Again, I understood that is a mistake, but received 0. there is no sense, okay? So again, I will submit this grade until Monday, okay, until Monday. Any questions? And I didn't finalize. There are a lot of work to do yet. Any questions? No?
No, teacher.
Okay. I will give. Now in Mexico, now is 9:37, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, you return at 10, okay? Return at 10. And when you return, I will open the breakout room. You move to breakout room. And if you have questions, I saw that one group wants to talk with me. You move to the breakout, you call me. This group, G1 don't need to call me, okay? I will open the breakout room and I will move to J1, okay? The other groups, if you want to talk with me, please ask me and I will move, okay? But now I make a break and return 10 a.m.